Got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we'll go then, baby girl, we'll go then. Yeah, about to see it shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes.
Well, good morning, guys. It is 4:24 a.m. James and I got up about 3 o'clock this morning. We snuck into a field that we saw. There's 3 toms down here strutting last night with a couple of jakes and a couple of hens. I gotta get to work at some point, so we'll see what happens today. It should be pretty good, so hopefully they gobble. I'm not sure what to think with the rain, but hold on, let me do a line distance once. I just want to see about the furthest they could be roosted from where we are. So if we are there, let's just say they're way over there. If they're in this triangle piece of woods, which I believe they are, the furthest they could be is 164 yards. So should be pretty good this morning. I just hope there ain't a lot of other options for them to roost. I mean, not from where they were headed last night. We'll see what happens. We're gonna be quiet, enjoy the storm, and yeah, I can't see the bottom of his beard, so. This goblin is quieter now. I'll walk it out. I hope he beats the shit out of this kid. You could probably shoot. Head up like that. Oh, here we go. That's what we needed. Alright, you can take old pencil beard out. Oh, here you go. Get ready. I'm going. There's a right woman there in the background. What? There's a right woman there. There he is. Get your fucking gun up, dude. Hey, chill, buddy. We're good. Alright. How'd you kill those stupid things I kept in the road and not piss off even worse? You got a range on that fucking guy. Dude, he's in range right now. He's twice. Holy shit. He's good. Holy fuck. Dude, what the fuck was that? Twice, dude. That's twice that's happened to me. These stupid jakes.
Yeah, took a little bit.
Well. I don't really know what to say about this hunt this morning. It was
A little weird.
a little odd. Birds are acting kind of goofy. Acting like they've almost been hunted for 5 weeks. Yeah, I mean, this morning we had 2 or 3 toms back up here, 1 tom over there, and there's a lot of gobbling. I don't know how many of them are jakes, a couple I bet you, but 2 toms that we saw in the field last night, it sounded like they headed behind us, started heading away. This one came out, didn't want anything to do with the decoys, really. I don't know if it was the decoys or the blind. It's kind of hard to say. We just set the blind up so we could do some filming this morning. Bring you guys this amazing episode. Super action-packed. Jake's smoking the decoy. Jake's flew across the creek at probably like 3 yards. And finally they started beating up that Jake decoy and he moved a little bit closer and James is ranging him. And then one of the jakes got curious and kind of went over by him and his head turned red and he trotted behind him like, I don't know, he probably closed 15 yards there real quick. But damn, that was fun. I'm tied out. That might be my year, but had a blast chasing them. Got some real cool experiences, and it was a good hunt. We're gonna pack out of here, drive around just a little bit, and then I'm gonna get to work. It's pretty early yet.
Absolutely.
We got a nice Right Plumbing sponsorship in this video, so. In the background of the video, as this bird's coming by, you can see our family business, our Right Plumbing. Our van drives right through. It's pretty funny. I'm like, James, there goes a right van in the background. Yeah. Hell yeah, it's been a great year so far, and glad to bring you guys some episodes. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Check me out. Check us out on social media, and we're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. But yeah, we're gonna pick up, take some pictures, and catch you on the next one.